What's going on, everybody? It's Hoodie Pumbaa here, back with another video. Today we're playing From the Rain. Found it on Steam, so I thought I'd run it up. So yeah, let me just up the volume real fast, and we'll get this bitch jumping.
Finally, I am home. I am starving. I need to eat some food.
Of course, the first room I walk in is the fucking shitter. Like, bro, what's good with me? So we got here. Alright, nice. This is a nice, like, modern house. I'm with it. What we got for grub around here? Some butter. Nice cactus. Some cheese. I can eat that?
That was delicious and well deserved after my job promotion. Time to relax with some television.
Job promotion. You heard that? I'm a hard worker. Why is this just facing the window? What's with these blue? What the? Whoa! Oh, it's the grass. What's in here? I got a big ass house. No, that shit's crazy. Jeez. That's so big. Oh. Actually scared the fuck out of me. Why are there so many doors? Holy sh... Generator, what is this? Fucking, Dead by Daylight? What you got going on here? Among Us reference! Oh god, Among Us! No! Yo, where is my TV? And I just did a whole loop. Dude, am I dumb? Where's the TV? That's the kitchen. We were just in there. This is like a... Alright. Yo, am I stupid? Chat. Am I? Oh. Yeah, I am. Alright, let's watch them.
Weird. The television isn't working. I guess it's time for bed. But first, I need to use the bathroom.
I know where the bathroom is. That was the first door I opened. I know where the bathroom is. That's not a problem. We can use the bathroom right now, buddy. Yeah.
Delightful. I am so tired after today. I better rest so I can start my new position tomorrow.
Start my new position, yeah. Alright, let's get some rest. Big day tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Got my promotion. Where the hell's the bedroom? Don't. Oh, what? I guess I can't go through there? Okay. Alright. Where's the bedroom? Yo, I'm tweaking out right now.
What is that noise?
Ew, that's a gross noise. Emergency alert!
This is a civil danger warning effective to all 5 counties of western New York: Allegheny, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Erie, and Niagara.
Oh,
Your
shit.
most attention is
We're in the
required.
zoo. We're in
The
Zoo
following
York.
message is transmitted through the request of the United States government. This is not a test. As you all know, all 5 counties have been suffering from severe rain and thunder since yesterday. Since the beginning of this weather, a large number of murders have been committed.
Oh.
As of now, all cases include either disjointed limbs, severed body parts, or deformed features of the face and neck. The last murder was at 7:08 p.m. EST.
I got a clock.
It is a necessity that you close and lock all windows, doors, or other entrances to your home.
Jeez,
The United States
it's pissing a
military
dude.
will be deployed and searching for whatever is causing these horrendous deaths. There is no information on how to protect yourself, as there have been no witnesses to any of the 34 murders. Stay inside and do not open the door for anyone. The United States military will unlock all homes once the source has been euthanized. We urge all residents to not call the police. Remember, staying calm will help you make better decisions.
Gotta stay calm,
Oh
chat.
my god, this cannot be happening. However, I should be safe. I installed a top-of-the-line security system which runs solely off electricity. I can sleep peacefully tonight.
Alright, you heard the man. We got the top-notch electricity fucking security system. Got the best job promotion ever. We're good. I could sleep like a baby if I can ever find the bedroom. Oh my god. Ah!
I need to defend myself and turn the power on as quick as possible.
Okay. Ah.
First, I need to turn on all of the breakers scattered around the town. They should give me a code which is used to turn on the generator.
Like, obviously that was expected. The power was gonna go out, right? But that scared the shit out of me. Where was that? I swear I saw something that was supposed to help me. All the breakers around the house. Alright, alright, alright. This is a horrible electrical job, guys. You should have one central breaker, not several breakers around the house. I know that because 6 Blue. I'm actually an apprentice to an electrician, so red one. What's with all like the crankling noise? Why would I even put in this code? Is there one in the bathroom? Oh, I can close those? Oh. Shit, I should have closed it. Yellow 8, 6 blue, red 1, yellow 8. And then last one, green 9, okay. Okay, 6 blue. Okay. Okay. Green 9. 8. 1. 6. Right.
Now that the generator is on, I can regard all of the power blocks at each of the entrances to the house. Once they are fully charged, the generator should have enough power to reboot the system for a while.
Okay, I'm with that. Sounds like a plan. Let's get to rebooted. I'm just gonna close this real fast, 'cause I don't like that. Hit this, Johnson. Dollars. Bro, what am I? I'm definitely hearing some shit. Oh, what the fuck? Why did you skip? I'm just psyching myself out. Bro. Am I like looking for the like? Should I be targeting certain windows? I guess just, you know what I'm saying? Charge them all up. Yo, bro. Okay. Okay. No. No, A. No, thank you. T, S, X, V, Q, X, Y. Oh God, Y, G, Z, S, Y, Z. Okay. Okay. It's like a fucking typing simulator. You see how tall he was? Looking like NBA center right now. Alright, let's count. Chat. Let's count. I'm not letting him in the crib. No way, no how he gets in the crib. This is a fortress. I got this job promotion. I need to protect this shit. I need to protect my life. It's me versus me. He doesn't understand. We're also in the zoo right now, okay? I run Zoo York. Doesn't matter. Excuse me? You know what I'm saying? The concrete, I mean, we're not really in the concrete jungle, but we run the concrete jungle. Alright. That one's good? No, this one's not good. I'm done. This should be the last one, though. Ah! V. A. Yo. I saw his fucking arm phase through the wall, but it still scared me so bad.
Oh my god, I am safe for now. Once this generator needs to be removed, I will have to do the same thing again. There is no way in hell that I can sleep right now. I will sit next to the generator until it dies. I am scared.
Alright, yeah, let's pop a squat. Alright, that was hour 1. Fuck, man. Alright, let's run about hour 2. Bro, that jump scare actually scared me so bad. Alright, let's get to, you know what I'm saying? Generator should be dying soon. I'm assuming I'm gonna need to find a code.
I know the
3.
generator won't die out.
Red 3.
I just
Where we at?
need to stay calm. It didn't go so bad last time.
Fuck. Red 3, red 3, red 3, red 3. Did they change? No. They change? See this movement right now, chat? I'm literally like a pro gamer. Alright, alright, alright. Where the code thingies at? Red 3. Red 3. So we got so far was red 3. Okay, all I got so far was red 3. I'm useless right now. Where the hell are the other ones? Please, chat. If you see them, yell them out. Cause I'm lost. Oh, here we go. No, no, thank you. Go away. Yellow 4. Is that what that was? Yellow 4. What was it? Red 3. There's not. What? Why? 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 Oh. Ah! Fuck. B. Oh my fuck. I don't even have the generator code yet. Red 3, yellow 4. Where are the other things, bro? Okay. Green 2, red 3, yellow 4, green 2. We could brute force the other one. Right? 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 Ah, I gotta actually find it, bro. Oh yeah, I'm swole. I'm swole for real. Bro, where is this? L4. I'm actually gonna lose my... I'm trash if I can't find it. He's moving something. I hear him. Bro, where is it? Where? Where is that at? Nope. Nope. Got him. V, T, X, G, A, B, T, R, S, Q, X, G, T, R. Nope. I clicked V. Don't tell me I didn't. Yo, fuck this guy, bro. I really... Oh my god, where is this last lever? I'm gonna bug. Chat, we need to check every square... Oh my god, I'm so dumb. 1. Wow, nice. Good job. Great job. Way to use your brain. Fucking super smart. What? Red 3. Red 3, yellow 2? Or was yellow 2? Red 3, green 4? No, it was red 3, yellow 2, me.
Now for the power locks.
Alright, let's get locking these powers. Nope, not what I want to do. Tough. We're on it. Chat, I'm on it. I'm on it right now. Slow start tonight too. Hour 2, slow start. But I'm on it. Where? Never mind, I'm off it. No. Chat, I took a typing class, okay? So, that's why I'm so tough at this. I'm jacking, if you guys were to play this game right now, you wouldn't be as tough, but I'm cool under pressure. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm like a ice cube. I really be holding it down. Look at him, he's scared, bro. I told him I took the typing class and he ran away. Comp though, we're comp. Fuck. It's too easy! It's too easy! He's trash. Chat, he's trash. I'm booting up these power locks. This shit is too easy. That's not all of them? Which one? No! No, thank you! No, thank you. No! No, thank you. It's so pathetic. I have to look at the keyboard to know what I'm typing right now. I literally took a typing class. This should not be a struggle. Oh my god, I just hit that shit without even looking. G, A. Shit. I'm trying to do without looking, chat. Shit. He's so garbage! Look at you! I'm really like that, chat. I'm really like, I could do this with my eyes closed. I'm really like that. Okay. Try to come over here talking about. Stop, damn. I'm not like, yo, I'm trash. Never mind, chat. Take everything back. That's not all of them? No way, that's not all of them. Oh, because there's one right here. Yo, I saw him sprint out of the corner of my eye. My heart right now. Oh my god. I just scared the fucking shit out of me so bad.
Okay, I just need to keep this up until the United States military arrives.
How long will that be? I gotta go sit next to it.
I am going to sit on the
obviously. Alright. My heart rate is like at least over 200 right now. So I need to take a slight break from this game, but I would definitely come back and finish it. I have another video out soon. But 100% I will be finishing this because it is a tough game. It's on Steam. It's like $3 if you guys want to go play it. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. All that good stuff. I'll catch y'all.